Food is a vital thing in life because it brings everyone together, and everyone has a different kind of backgrounds and whatever, but if the one thing that will always bring people together is food.
Eating pre-prepared food, or the stuff that comes out of plastic bags or over a counter in a takeaway shop, isn't got the balance of proteins, nutrients that you need. It's the cooking of wholesome, fresh ingredients, making sure you get your 5 a day, making sure you get your proteins, your carbohydrates. It's what the body needs, and once the body gets what it wants, the body reacts differently, and it's a way of soothing your mind at the same time.
Not having a healthy diet as such can make you quite fatigued, and you don't really want that when you're working, especially if you're trying to revise for studies as well. You know, you've got a lot of stress going on. You need to make sure that you're eating well so it doesn't affect like your mood. It also sustains like your mental health as well.
But when you are out shopping, make sure you're looking for the fresh, fine ingredients. Make sure that you're not going for the pre-packaged stuff. Look at the stuff that's not in the plastic bag, and make sure it's not in the cellophane wrappers. Have a touch, have a feel, have a smell.
So for me, it's an escape. You can kind of be whoever you want to be when you're cooking. It's creative, it's unique, it's diverse. You can hit pretty much anyone, any kind of culture. You can never stop learning as well.
It doesn't have to be as stressful as Gordon Ramsay makes it out to be. It doesn't have to be. It can be as relaxing as Jamie Oliver makes it. You don't need to follow a recipe. You just go with the flow. You go with your instinct, and you just cook what you want to cook. You don't have to follow, like I said, you don't have to follow a recipe. It is what you have and what you want. Feed your own feelings, as it were.